when you first come in, this foyer is definitely narrow. This laundry room is lean and mean, but it gets the job done. It's kind of out of the way. The thing about this room is that your TV is most likely going to have to be here. These windows are up high, so the glare shouldn't be too bad. But just because of where the sliders are, going into the walkway into the owners and just kind of navigating around, you might be limited on the size and type of furniture you can have in here. With the lanai being on one side of the house, be mindful of what the neighbors have going on. You don't necessarily want to be lanai to lanai. This flex area back behind the kitchen is actually pretty neat. You don't see it too much, but it's definitely, this whole little wing over here was tucked away. It was kind of like you kept discovering something else afterwards. So you got the HVAC system kind of in the center of the house, but it's inside. Oh, pretty neat to have the flex over here. And how they had it set up was kind of like a den or something like that, a movie room or whatnot. Definitely makes up for what you aren't getting in the living room or gathering room. 2 would act kind of the bath for any guest you would have over, period. Bedroom 2 is kind of your standard, no razzmatazz type bedroom. Our suite did feel spacious from the bedroom, even the walk-in closet. The linen itself was pretty good size, and the bath as a whole, really.